Good evening. Today is January 1st, 2026. A blessed New Year, everyone. Our Mass offerings coming from the congregation of our Mother of Perpetual Health Mission of the Oriental Catholic Church. And we are praying for our departed brothers and sisters of the mission, for Dolores Refuerzo, Remedios Paraino, Purita Madriaga, Salome T. Medina, Estacio Madriaga, Salome Labsan, Rudy Labsan, Jose Sipin, and Jose